Peel off the protective film. Remove the 4 screws. Place the exhaust fan in position and reinstall the screws to secure it. Plug the exhaust fan power cord into the socket. After inserting, tighten the screws. The exhaust fan installation is complete. Open the front door of the powder shaker and remove the tape. Take out the roller and the film rod. Install the roller and tighten it with the black knob. Connect the power cord. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to start the powder shaker. Press this button to immediately stop the machine in case of an emergency. Upper right knob, adjust the conveyor belt speed, turn clockwise to increase. Middle right knob, adjust the powder shaking speed, turn clockwise to increase. Lower right knob, adjust the exhaust fan speed, turn clockwise to increase. This is the on-off button. Set button, press once to turn the dryer on or off. Press and hold the set button to enter temperature adjustment mode. In temperature adjustment mode, press the plus or minus button to increase or decrease the temperature. This switch has 3 positions. Press single line button to roll the film forward. When left in the middle, the roller does not move. Press double line button to roll the film backward. This is the bottom tray of the powder container. Remove it to clean any powder residue at the bottom. This is the bracket that guides the film during feeding. Release the wheels to reposition the powder shaker. Feed the film from the printer. Pass the film under the powder shaker's conveyor belt. Secure the film in place with the film pressing rod. Open the front door of the powder shaker. Attach the film to the film roller using tape. Close and lock the front door. Sprinkle some DTF powder on the film. Powder shaking and drying all in one machine setup is complete.